Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove Google account in Redmi 13C device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of Google here. So just tap Google and then click on manage account. After that, just click here so that we can add another account from here. Now just add any account. After that, click next and then enter the password. Okay, again click next. If you want to save the password, so you can save it. Now the password save and then click I agree. If you want to set a home address, you can also set here, but I am skipping it. Just click not now. As you see, the Google account is now add. And if I tap here, so that I have now two accounts. So this is how we can add any account. And then if you want to remove account, so all you guys have to do just tap on account and sign and then click on Google. After that, I have these two accounts. I want to remove this account, so just tap here, click on remove account and then remove account. So as you see, the account is now removed and I have now this one account only. So this is how we can add and remove any account in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.